Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to learn the lesson Hina and her friends. Okay, this is a story for Ha sound. Okay, this is a story for H Ha sound. So let us start the lesson. Ha ha Hina, the ha ha hen had a lovely little ha ha house on a ha ha hill. Every day Hina would comb her hair and put on her hat. Here, what is the question? Where does Hina live? Where does this Hina live? Hina is a hen. Where does it live? It lives on a hill. Okay, Hina lives on a hill. She would then come down the hill to meet her friends. Holly, the hippo, and Henry, the horse. One day, Hina fell ill. She could not meet her friends. Holly and Henry wanted to help Hina. They built a hot air balloon so that they could see her. Now, Hina could meet her friends easily. So here, how did her friends meet her? How did they meet her friends? They built a hot air balloon so that they could see her friends, or they could meet her friends. So this is a story for her. This is a story for H, that is Ha sound. Okay, hope you understand. Now let us see the next page. Now let us learn how to trace the letter H and Ha sound with your letter Ha sound finger, with your finger. Let us trace with our finger. First, starting from red line to second blue line, draw a standing line and a small sleeping line on the first blue line, then a red line, then a standing line from red line to second blue line. This is H. Start standing line from red line to second blue line. Next, a small sleeping line on first blue line, then a standing line from red line to second blue line. This is big H, uppercase H. Now how to write small h, lowercase? A standing line from red line to second blue line, and next is down curve with a small hook. Down curve with a small hook. Okay, so this is H for hen, H for horse, H for hippo, H for hat, H for hammer, H for house. This is Ha sound. Hen, horse, hippo, hat, hammer, house. Okay, hope you understood, and try to trace these letters H and H at home. Okay, make practice. Okay, go on practicing to be perfect. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you.